That's it, Brian?
Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new.
What is up? It is JBMHD here. Today is the day that I'm going to Iceland. I've literally been waiting for like days and days and days, months and months and months. And this is probably going to be a late night flight, but because of solstice, it will still be bright. I'm just going to be vlogging my journey to Iceland, having some fun, and yeah, we are about to leave and get to the airport. So yeah, I'll... We've just stopped off at Nando's. Hey y'all, we're on the plane. It's beautiful. Technically been around 2 hours since the flight took off. We're landing in just under an hour. I'm really excited for the festival tomorrow. One cool thing that I just remembered is that it's 11:30 in UK time and the sun is still bright, and I think that's because we're approaching Iceland in the northern hemisphere. I think that's it, in the northern hemisphere around summer. I'm getting a little bit tired considering I've been to school all day.